What is the author primarily interested in? This is a structure-based question, so we need to look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph talks about the history of solar energy, and the second paragraph talks about the problems and research efforts related to the progress of solar energies. So we need to answer this question in this context. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, tracing the history. The passage mentions history in the first paragraph, but that is limited in scope to the first paragraph only. The second paragraph is not accurately represented in this answer choice. So this answer choice cannot be correct. Answer choice B, discussing the history, challenges, and potential advancements. Yes, this is the correct structure of the passage because the first paragraph talks about the history. The second paragraph talks about the challenges, such as the share of solar electricity is small. It also talks about the challenges of cost, cheap fossil fuels, and capital intensive nature, as well as efficiency. And later on, towards the end of the second paragraph, it talks about research efforts that are trying to solve these problems. So this is a good answer choice. Let's keep it on hold. Answer choice C, comparison between the competitiveness of solar energy and cheap fossil fuels. The passage refers to cheap fossil fuels, but that is only in the context of comparing the cost, and it doesn't compare the competitiveness of the two types of energy sources. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice D, indicating specific improvements. The passage mentions that the improvements needed are related to capital intensive nature and efficiency, and later it talks about specific efforts that are trying to address these challenges. However, this reference is related only to the second paragraph and it cannot be considered the primary interest of the author. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, arguing for continued research. The passage mentions that the current research is valuable, but it doesn't argue for continued research. Also, this reference to research is limited to the second paragraph and is not the primary interest of the author. So this answer choice can be eliminated. B is the correct answer.